In today's video, I'm going to break down a powerful price action setup called rally-based rally, also known as RBR. You will learn how to identify it, how to trade it, how to make it work in your favor with high probability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's dive in. And if you are yet to watch the previous video I did on drop-based rally, do well to watch it. I'll tag it in the description of this video. So what is rally-based rally? Rally-based rally is a bullish continuation pattern that starts with a strong upward move. That's the rally. The upward move is referred to as the rally. Then the market pauses and consolidates. That's where we call the base. And finally, another strong bullish rally takes off. So these base act as a demand zone, showing where big institutions might be placing their buy order. So remember, I said I did a video explaining all this in simple terms for you. So this particular video is how to show you on a live chart for you to be able to identify it if you see it on a live chart and be able to trade it, just in case you're not able to understand it on the previous video I did. So that's why we're doing this video, right? So now on our screen, we'll have the exact rally-based rally chart. And I'll teach you the strategy on how to trade it right in this video. Here, you can see we have a rally. Here is a rally, right? Then we have a base where it consolidates. Remember what I told you, the rally is usually formed with bullish movements. Then the base is a kind of consolidation. You can see we have a rally that forms here. Then we have a consolidation. If you have not watched the video I did on this, please kindly do it. To do so, then we have a rally, right? Then we have another consolidation here. Then another rally before a drop, right? So I want to show you the strategy on how to trade this rally. Here is the base. Here is our base. Here is also another base, right? So if you look at your charts, you will see that the market usually form in these directions. So, and if you are yet to watch our drop-based rally video, do well to watch this. Like I promised, I'm going to do a video on the 4 type of charts, which we did on the video I asked you to go and watch. If you have not watched that video, do it to watch that video, because it will make it very easy for you to understand this particular video I'm doing now, right? So now, how do we trade this particular setup? Okay, we have a rally, a series of buy, right? And we have a consolidation, right? Let me delete this out so you can see the chart clearly. We have a consolidation. Good. So now we have 2 ways to trade this strategy. One is that after we notice that there is a rally and we see the markets consolidating, we wait and we bring out, we mark out the zone of consolidation. The first step to trade this strategy is for you to wait for a breakout of this consolidation. You wait for a breakout and an engulfing candlestick. After a breakout, you notice that the candlestick closes above the breakout, right? Then you you enter the trade. After you have observed this, you take a long position, right? Remember, this is 4 hour. This strategy works best on higher time frame, either the 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily chart. So your entry confirmation should be in the lower time frame, right? If you want to enter after you have observed this, you mark out your zone, you move down to a lower time frame, either 30 minute, 50 minute, or 5 minute time frame for your entry confirmation. I hope you get this. So now, this is one of the strategies to trade this rally-based rally. Another strategy to trade this rally-based rally is for you to wait for a breakout and a retest. In this scenario here, we don't have a retest, right? There's a breakout, but there's no retest. A breakout, which it went straight up. So in another strategy, some conservative traders usually wait for a breakout and a retest here, then a continuation. So now they will place their buy limit order around the zone. Their buy limit order will be around this zone. Once the market breaks out, they will wait for it to come back and retest. They to pick their buy limit order and shoot up, right? Now, how do you target your TP? Your TP target should be a risk. It should risk 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. That's what you do. So meaning your stop loss now would be below this zone here. Your stop loss must be below your zone. That is the base. That's where your stop loss will be. And your TP, you can target 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. I hope you get this. So that is how to trade this strategy in simple form. In simple form. So if let's scroll back to other charts zone, you will see that this usually happens in the market almost all the time. Let's go to another time frame. Let's go to another time frame. Mind you, if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, do well to join. We're there because we do drop market insight and trading signals on our Telegram channel. Do well to join it. So let's look for another setup of rally-based rally and see. Now you can see, okay, this is the one we just finished analyzing here. So let's look for another setup. Let's look for another setup. Okay, now this is a good example of another rally-based rally. You can see that this market, went up, then consolidated around this zone before it breaks up, right? So this is another good example of rally-based rally. So if you come to your chart and you notice that there is something like this around this zone, you notice that the market was in a bullish movement, a very strong bullish movement. You wait for this consolidation. You mark out your consolidation area. You observe that, okay, this market is now consolidating after a bullish movement, right? This market is now consolidating. You mark out this zone. Now you wait for a breakout, or wait, if you're a conservative trader, wait for a breakout and a retest, right? That is the two strategy to trade this. So you wait for a breakout. After confirming with an engulfing candlestick, please, you don't just jump into the market. You have confirmed, okay, this candlestick break above where you mark, and a bullish candlestick formed above your zone, then it is safe for you to enter the market. Then you take a long position. That is if you are trading the rally-based rally strategy. I hope you get this. You see how the market reacted, and it will definitely hit your TP. And don't forget, stop loss is a must for you to manage your risks. Your stop loss, I said, will be below the zone. So I want you to try this on your demo account, and do well to like this video. Also share this video so that others will benefit. See you in our next video. Next, I'll be dropping the I have done the drop based rally. Now this is a rally based rally. So the next video I'll be doing is the drop based drop. See you in our next video.